emreno du say yen kasan kyerɛ NPP 40 memma ye di share ya brabwase because omo adi boni ache amana di dio mutrim sese omo ninam social media no mu di ministers tema kika look Nana Addo aban yentia esese yen kasan ti aban ni say Nana Addo as president to me ko gi $93 million so be say asori dan NPP phone to me and John who say sorry that no neko tokro ne da was say born ne da ho. So when we talk against NPP no, it is not about equalization. In the year 2017 by this time scandals are Agyarko NPP abano untumi so. Now we are in 7th to the 8th month. What is a scandal biaba and the second Mahamadu Bawumia? There is nothing like that. That is where we should do the comparison. So we don't have to allow these people who have wrecked the nation to come and then say, yeah, and Obabia Kase and Okujetua Black quiet there. Go to the paper, take the and you want say data and data. Yes. Go and take the data. Let us look at the balance sheet of Mahamadu Bawumia government and what we are having today. That is what we can use to converse. But the one father tan fan kasa say be kafra and there will school kono na akochere. And yes, akochere in a positive sense, akochere in a negative sense. Because before I can sit here, say me kasano, Ato Forson akachere me say within these 6 months of the year, no, we to me are spending 114 billion. Etiaka ACC ministries. That is the data. That is the data. He didn't tell me, say, Ebia we are Ghana Sika within these 7 months. And NPP people should know this. They should read. They say we could not read. We are using reading and practicality on the ground. The figures are telling. The figures are telling. So why should I even have Midamase exercise say Muntan find people from be compare with her? Why do I have to be debating an NPP person? Why should I have to debate them? They don't have shame. If they were to have shame, like they will not go to any station to go and talk. Because you are talking about economics. You presented somebody that you call is an economist, isn't it? Edu say you kotu abanu nipa mwe ya chirega na nyina powder gu ne cheso no o si se say digitalization. Mo nkasa nsem anka bimbia nchire muti. Ana munyansa. These are the things you are talking about. I will debate NPP, even the most vociferous person, I will debate him. The only thing I use is take your data and let me also take my data. Let us talk about it. Ato Forson yenti ayasisa ne dia say Ato Forson. Then tell me what Bawumia to have done. Ato Forson. Because look at our economy. Look at the figures. Look at the economic environment of Ghana. Look, if you want to do a typical studies of Ghana environment, unam say on say uno mu store that no macro say omu say no mu biedo no mu printi. That should tell you economic like that. Even that person who is not educated like or who say the environment is changing. Inti say onim so ye juma obenya sika hye ni bottom mutamu na donu apa door lock no awi na che down because the people cannot open their shops and make business. That is what we should be debating about. So Kujetua Black Waka say Mana na don't talk aeroplane as a data mana you debate against data. Can't you have that sense? Say na na FI sika dio so asori die. Nti so bia for sika so ko say asori die wan say asori die. Say so ko tolompre obeto. Onto. That sense should come to all of us. So you must stop him. Hey, look, breaker NDC for etumia plans and NPP car ya stop no. You are too from Africa na you break it to because it can be on before medi yenua amwakwata meka senka papa no kra nka ye chi no ensese ye ntrai no ndra na ndo me fa poko asekwan ekwan amutu bi ji se 150 million se mu be ye kwan ekwan no mu anye. When should this man be working? Offer 10 million so road Cocoa road auditing. When this cannot receive fee or how be aniho. Why should these people be working? And then you have NPP people going to stations and they're debating what? Debating what? These are the questions we should be talking about. No, look at these very good brothers and sisters. And they are chopping on trees like birds, some of them, they were chirping. Look at them. Omanibu Amejuma Oye Edima Ghana. Ana Mutala. Ana Muniru. All these people working for this nation. Emra, show, Yeba Kunjasum. His Excellency said there, you better tie a belt too. One say, allowance ya NPP for to say fuel our mind join. Yet there His Excellency say, free na come and now from time passing, more be and give for coupon. NPP for man give for coupon no ni. Omo give for coupon, o my ejumanu, o my jadi soko. Almost okay if you are an appointee, men business beer, NPP for angi contract. Their ministers were they not taking contract. And upon all these things, you are talking against us. Meanwhile, we are tightening our belt in the interest and the name of this country. Say, this is what we are talking about. And this is why, from the word go, say, NPP should shut up. I told them, I foresaw all these things. Look at the amount of money, about 9 billion. Yapompia share, ECG and alleges sector. Mumu to meet cables. Mu to meet enyama ehu here. Edi aguho. Asa sign contract aguho. Ye to me sign contract sa man pay for kafra. Ti say abodan for. Na ye tua hu ka. Musa be ye didi. We will not give you that chance. We will not give you that chance. Idea His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ka say boot for boot no. Say kra, say fanu kra. And there ye be no testicles per testicles. O producer o me. E ho na ye ya. Boot no nya ya. Testicles versus testicles. Mu ni pana na boot ni testicles. Mpenyufo mu fa nche me. Ani brain na ba. But tomorrow we will be burying our brothers. Nicholas, may their souls rest in peace. In their air communication team members were able to go to our brother, late Honorable Omanibu Ama's house to commiserate with them, with our leader, Honorable Sammy Gyamfi. We were all in the house. We saw the mother, we saw the wife, and the family members. Once again, I say my condolences to them, because Mitihona it is so eba. Niente eba ni say Nicholas. On say ye more be position mema. And I say now I did it no busa for and I say but the risk involved ni Ghana ni dream da, and that is the risk. As I say no, abedani eniso ediama ye nyina. May their souls rest in perfect peace. If you also know, you're by Jubilee House, and together with our leader, we are Belly Reef, Ediama, the fallen heroes, and you know, Susu, the best call the vigil night, you know, sorry, Christ the King, or Bibi Obe to me, Kaya home, na ye wa ebusia for, and near Sammy Gyamfi, and any team between me, Susu. Yeah, ewo efieho and there. These are the people we are talking about. Not the people who came and were stealing money left and right center. Uko kase they stealing money. NPP for Bekachero say, and the identity one chomoto. Attorney General, you are my senior, you are my brother. Mikacho say NPP for omutua sikanu we suma se mo bia ehu se mu na ma wia sikanu mi pa ocho mi se jisikanu nyina. At the end of the day no your list na ye billboard san crofo ni nyina no asimesi the nation records no wa wia se odiaba yaji wa wia se na board no so no mu mfoni nyamfa mu ankoko tukura enu na ye fe ni name and shame. Na yesafri hokra na yakoye ti se plaque se bi wo Kwame Nkrumah mozo an se tourist ba hopa. Then you give them the nation records corner. No mako hu omudin eni omufoni position makita siko mawia time omudi sikanu di baye se ya nanjo susu a time omudi baye ka omudi ba ho ni na ya try to ho, because the way I'm seeing we are not going to jail them, but we make a crown at the wa tourist biaba krom ha wa wo sa kronfo konan eni inti nipa no metro ni di o matwa picture osa ope edwuma bi wa ban ma onya da. That is what we should do to them. Ken Ofori Atta dika ena Bediatuo so muso wa ede omuso ho wa hu ena manfo twetwa se wawu nti Bediatuo say ena yes when we nyina na enchro mudi yes nipo timi di 13 million di feeding crop for dollars o yeah onumu na sisi ase na minim nyanti a NPP focus on there na omu person mu kasa say you and who are competing debate go and bring these figures that we are talking about into attorney general me dem paucho sikanu je ba list obi adin e da odi sikanu ba ye se wan try da odi sikanu ba ye no be ka se obua se wo omu ba kura ma omu ye tom print ye na tom print no susu no ebo wezu so so obua na ya kofa scanner no na ya scanning that tom print now say ampa we are Confront. So this is what we are talking about today. May the souls of our heroes rest in perfect peace. I felt pain because Mibsa say, Mia, how will my child be feeling today? And that is the picture I saw in the wife. I think the name is Rita. In the wife's face, in the otiho. At once, being said, why because he has lost the husband, the children's father, the breadwinner of the family. And it is true, because you can't just lose your only child in this gruesome manner. But Honorable Doyo Kasembi Mitanichi almost a dear no see no senka crasha nka sebi kafra efunu nyina senda fa ko say mo hye konkom ye fa no sa headquarter na we no apete nti e kire say bomb no eye djuma wo ho muma ye no yo muma ye no yo
okay what and
I'm not saying emphatically oh say
so mo invite international he say
na botre wona ma ko fa ni pa no omo se omo nda fa ko we da ha enye sana se aeroplane crasha etaba enti bomba sema Honorable Doyo mi leader kan ye no mi susu mi daaya mi suhu daye pa e kire se bomba asifo omo gusu wo krom ha kwame nkruma time akoda kitikiti nomno fo anya UP fo ya mudi bomba shell buke mu se omu fa man kroma nenkunu nti bomba sema pega sese no muma ye hwehwe mu ye pa kire se farasi fo da so tie nche
yo meda asipapa honorable
Nicholas Wati
Matepa Dana Kwesi Ashama, former member of parliament, ma buim masasu in the otchere agency, ono no acting executive director, the ma complementary agency, and ti ono na owahe Shama so mrenako honorable faye social media.
Social media
education is
social media so say no na me nkoda na chia me san
o fans na doso
se fans na doso President Mahamadu Bawumia ambasan Kenya kra ambasan Kenya kra anything himself the last no that be se ni pa dream one dream very na me make kachre Ghana for and his excellency ni say NPP forward to bind me boom straight Wunia Ibrahim Mahama Onyankopon ye na dom chama ena obusiani ato aeroplane se ukobe bia fako NPP vote to me jina hakachre se esan se uye president intinu unia aeroplane menfa damn Damn 3 times. Omanpenyi free neko. MPP for who plan. Who ni aeroplane na. Omankasa on the guide ni fanu ko bebia. Fanu ko bebia. Uko jun so kwa sa obetumi afa. Fa. MPP for ni suban papa. Sa no mo ye sa mefruwe se yahwe fanu se airport wo Boase nanka jet ni mo form kwa nka na e bedi Agyarko bi wo baby. These people don't listen to them. MPP for men tiomo hwe se wuni Ibrahim ya 2017 nanado baye nanka Ghana ni anyankopo ashra say inka onye juma na mbrante nye juma ubeka bauxite mines district chief executive and stop no at the end of the day dey na yehu ye MPP 4 years agreement ye di bauxite site no e di ama China for na say wu tumi ba osu hwanti obi mfa no na onye befuo. That is what has happened. We've had so many bitter lessons from the NPP people. And so this is the time we don't want to or we don't have to listen to them. Ochina, Ochina, ya. Muma yeni MPP for face and ya with 2 anasikayo. These people should not match us at all. I don't know man penny say na obin to me talk maninia. Na me president Zimamimfu na nie na nado akofa abegina tamak so ye twanka every 1 hour ye twa be say $10,000 and asense no enu mom na ye. We need sense to develop this country and that is what we must do. One of money on social media kasa etiamanfo no minia we are branti na baba ka say insane if you are na wo dia bo wan kasa ho dua eni wasefo odi bom wudia etese se wu akoda betumi akase unya president yira ubetwa onim se bo wudia. But let those cars continue to be with you because you have seen your behavior before. Enti se na mi nua panyika enu fund de SSN creative and this creative fund amaga na che abroso get fund ya create VAT ya create say yankasa zuyen create ya fund ema ye hu heroes no na yakọ bie fan no kuha edi amani panu na ebusuafo say come Asante say omabenyi say obesa be create the most biggest educational fund enu dey me pese complimentary sika no bi ma bi susu no enko party no ho gold no say asase so say to me your plan ye to me your plan ama say anya gold si di nya honde a adentina say anyansa no ye to me ye e bi mfam boa NDC party for. We should do it in case say na obia peduma and the people are right. Ebinu nyanya the people are right. In case go to our fund ye nyanya government eduma ma ye fund e ho no koji say 1 million juma bi o pesa koye no go and do the business and bring the money. Yeah. People will not be crying so much. So let us create the funds. Yenu nyansa no NDC ho ye nyansa wo Ghana ha o man no be kwanima enye nyansa boni e NDC for intimisre obia. Sister Magi wo baika ani nyinko complimentary from nyina musimo hweme micham sister Karo micham nyina na onyankopon kai ho na munkai se ye wawrehum ananjo ye covid night and otchere susu eye ho manyu na yemfa adobase na yenji yenema kra ye hweye so nyankopon ankasa onji omo kra no tata. Okay.
Mamendo Honorable Daniel Kwesi Ashamai, or a former member of parliament, congratulations. Now the acting executive director, the Complementary Education Agency.
Personal in the way and manner security handle some of these things. Because Enra Meti say I see early morning, ya could break you be ponona, that ya take cars, whoa, that kind of because the cameras are all over the place.
That's right.
If you are not careful, you use the national security or the security apparatus of this country to make fools and national prominence.
To make fools and national prominence.
Exactly. I mean, no what they are just irrelevant people who, because of some more canuntino, you should not even give them that prominence. But when you're careful, you use the same national security then to give them that. Boy, be a self and I don't take me or something. I know him, no. But national security made him a hero. Or what I say. And that because then America say issue no more gigi that issue now. That issue no way. A travel to court.
That's right.
They did travel to court. So I think that is why I think that we need to say grandstanding gigi. Remember and say tell me a national security na me be fawa. Who say we mabiem. Remember no. Some simple some be fawa. I'll make sure say some na waka no our criminal implications every court to be able you go to jail.
Okay.
So to spend the resources, energy in go and pick Alaska no because member foul now won't sign back. Maybe Fawa na I know say.
Now some call the blood.
No. Maybe Fawa. That is why those arrested na yakwache okatachi na yakwakwe say when you know say china okwache na nkosi baby it's unnecessary. What I say. So for nipa na no you know say when you know on grounds
enough grounds.
What I say sabe ya unkoko so in stop because me basa mbe Fawa. Mbabiem. Because yes. So I will not pick you on flimsy things. I will pick you where you have committed. Na me say Unisa umabiem. Abranti in some okay. And this is a weird to me say adwen no cry no. Cram adwen no the radio so.
That's right.
Because Alaska in the midst of this being a hero, who is a hero? Then am I a hero? Or what has I'm make no. Because you see, we take things for me. I believe in somebody that me advocating for media freedom.
That's right.
So became the ugly noises is better than culture of silence and then as a for Alaska, you see, what people don't know, they say. If you have ever gone on social media, anything related to Google or any other platform, and you have ever gone there to write the name of an American president, either insulted him, either done anything your friend saying derogatory about, and it goes online, I am telling you, so you have been profiled by the Secret Service.
Wow.
Yes. And people go to American embassy, you can kind of documents and as if when you know, say, you deny and fat visa nama, or by General Tiasanam Pai Boboya. Whoever has ever gone on social media, any platform, our Google, internet, so biana, people can see biano. The very moment you write the name of a certain American president, now by Ade, they have a system that your friends saying filter all these things.
Okay. Quickly,
the Secret Service will get access to it, and they'll review whoever you. They will profile you and see say, if a traitor, do you have the capacity, the potential to do it? They do it every day. So whoever be a what platform be a what throw the name of a certain American president, either insult or attack be a you have been profiled.
And you all the mind the welcome.
Yes, I mind welcome. Sometimes no, I'm for new abroad, but they want to understand Nipana Wokano. Asamna Wokan do have capacity to carry, or it's just normal threat and answer saying, or one of their job is they analyze because that is what they do. That is how they take some of these things serious. Abranten and some now can no ordinary Kababot Wogu. Okay, and they are some about yet me can because Obeka so Akufo Addo time I'm for so can be. But to say the president is responsible. Can somehow to the they should hold him account. It means who evidence be a baby the state and him. And I say we see when you are talking you should be me. I have been on radio for almost this talking. I started in 2014. It's almost 11 years now.
That's right.
Not even a single day. And Obiaka Semna Oko can and not even once.
That's right.
And I'm can't will be say because as someone can open once and I walk and
I wouldn't him the Awoka.
Meaning the American. and me last me call TV so no be frame say Ivan more information me the mouth kwako can me say chale me nye breaking news. I don't do breaking news. Now once my basa me the asam obada. I don't come here with asam. And some no me see baby me one I hear a lot of stuff but that is not what I'm here. So all information what they mammy me nye breaking news. And this is breaking news for na famomo. Me dey say I analyze.
That's right.
By being assertive, look at the critical way, no man analyze it. That is what I do. Me nye breaking news now. What they what's your same be catch them? In fact, obi any so me nko kano baby. Yeah.
Obi to me Alaska. I dear way na man but okwa kama me. Na me say me kama unkwa na ko hu ye me ni hobby.
So Alaska. Enti na assembly nipa na kan na court abrante eko ya all by posture ne demeanor ne nsam na o kan no kira say. Some now kind of crash onu ni ho na say for
exactly.
And I think that and I will be sending me video be a same ranty binum to TikTok say your friend say e come kwa nkasa me Gyamfi mu your politics in the Kwaku do no asa me Gyamfi why all then to wish say he onwu na nka plane crash no kan hu bi like the politics I could do no.
That's right.
Me I was a critical your friend saying I was a critic of Akufo Addo government.
We watch that here.
I have never
wish him dead.
There was a time I call platform because now I say Akufo Addo papa koton koko na me say I don't do that politics. Akufo Addo papa me nim no. I don't know anything about his family. The minimum is that he's president why are they amempe and that is strictly what I'm speaking about.
That's right.
The family seven as for no family home. So I think that these are some of the lines that we need to set. But to demonstrate that particular thing, a president is responsible. Yes, Brana be you are not be president because Papa no be autistic here no. Those people died because they were being sent to go and represent the president.
On the national side.
So naturally, no, when you're president, you feel responsible. Yeah. But to go to extra extent and accuse him with some of these things, you know. Alaska, sometimes men found whom conquer near my won't be you one. Because my catcher said, Asama, your catcher won't be entry, no, young Asama win the evidence, no. You don't say it, you understand. And a giddy and I'm a evidence, and I'm Miss Hadley, me never cried. I feel Brabachirim. And is that what done for MP and the union will be reverend? Nothing. I'll call Pacha. Abasana, oh, Yaba Quasia with Nipanim. And you don't do that. Oh, Yaba Quasia with Nipanim. Now, let's just imagine some of the radios no can sem. Now, your friend me quam say, oh, me Pamacho. Now, just obia book cross away to me for. Oh, that's right. What I say. And these are some of the things that some of these things, and I make your media non so no things that professionalism, no air sinking low to a pointer. I don't even have expression. Lumba wu ye. Oba has microphone binum krokra microphone na na mi nkrase and ya kwa family no na ya kwachi akokra bi na emerata any interview ono so na dwene se oba CNN ne lifetime nyina opportunity awanya ode ba CNN ni and some any say yaka nyina na o mo ka and this Lumba ye no be kaya at the early stages no and komude confusion between the family, the wife, and Niniano.
Exactly.
Because Nippon no te class make a microphone cron kasa bimda, and I hear the camera be seen so. Hey, in some young can you know baka they have no discretion. And Nippon no interview near a hungry blogger be on so no or per collect into questions I said binansa him. That was what they were asking. That is why and your friend is saying stand up with press conference no no. I was sending message quite clear or chana mo bia medi Monest na chi say interview ni na da your friend say nipa no kwa osu ne the camera be si wanim enkwase questions say binyansa anim and ye bisa those kind of way no. I think the media commission and those things need to look at some of these things and especially the TikTok near my man for posted on Alaska Makacha say me a man for because I am not a friend of the China and as a phone but you see omo near bi omo ye no if you are not careful sa TikTok no omo obia ya na platform the kind of algorithm we use as a phone. We in Brabbe Bransana when 10K followers on Facebook.
Serious?
YouTube, the obeti now for 1 year na obia crown subscriber. But oko TikTok now could do some attention now 1,000 followers in as a phone. So abaya an avenue among 14 the din some hunu Ghana for the don motiaman on minim so mu adwuma ye o mame panyini or that's on the secret ntwitwi na ote camera nim TikTok tabia nkwase asem ne nkwase akeka nsem ayenka no mote ho but these are individuals who want to kwan Alaska ya ka anibia it's not just about school nkwa o akwantuo is another eye opener.
That's right.
A wow orientation in as a phone. But oko TikTok and abun say a man for abrochiro no mo kon say nwuram no mo tio so mo tin wia so because sometimes nsem afri bi no mu ba no what tia na we de kra ho maame wada so ntwitwi ne senya hwe na yeti ya omo set na we ke kan nsem hunu where so mu isu no Alaska what tia we yam show. So I think that we must begin to regulate. That is why America wanted to take steps to ban your friend saying TikTok no.
That's right.
As at now Trump na almost come because you see some of the way man name kono and the way they've done their thing any silly thing biano that blockage in as for credit and then now some of the countries now forcing them to because there was this guy on TikTok Ofro Manaba also you know for now you win where you win on Ghana has it on TikTok. I'm telling you, but you can't do that on those American platforms. You can't do that. TikTok, your friends, Facebook will block you. YouTube will block you. But those people, you see, they just want to win at all costs. People may say I am not an anti-China, but because of the model, the way they want to win. For instance, America will maybe win him. So oko YouTube nensanya. Ubon say company be a friend temu.
Okay.
Advert power Ghana. Do you know why? This company has been operating in America for more. Oko America na Shin Temu and Shin. Obi in America be can confirm those who are watching us online. Obi to America not there. These are two areas they buy things from, and cheap as compared to other. Do you know why? Because Oko America they did the system in such a way say. So what idea wa bontina eba America na if it is less than $100 a tax free untu.
Okay.
But big companies and that's what the containers and as for So these people think that they are smarter to the extent say this is what they did. Company no a big company and all turn them and then they decided say and yan shepon man will container kese bi na kutua tax. Enti omono Utadie ewo temu for no na ye below where they started shipping the thing directly to individuals. So it is less because it is less than $100.
Okay.
So yam fangu container mu ma America na ye betua taxes and ye be ship no one. So within a year they were selling over 2.2 billion items ewo US. And the about America for no moto on them and obi anto. Because no the only free China eba no when tia tax wo ho but they be wura wo mamu wo wa what ho awo ye no what tia tax and do to the price no but wa wo ho to the price so and Donald Trump buy there before wa block your mo say free na ko what the $1 term crab will pay tax then as for no and na oba Ghana say ya omo a shift market space you know say here in Ghana that is the trade practices of more. There was a time America there. Your friend say
now
yes, at all. Omo say any item be free China by America be and a tax in it. Do you know what they started doing? The companies move all the way to Mexico and on best a factory into Omo yard. We are not more made in Mexico at Taro. No more the America free because Mexico and America have that trade cooperation.
Right.
So you see, these are people. They want to win at all costs. And that is the strategy that they are employing. The one here now no me who say obi say Nigeria ni bi say what bicycle what temu. I what yaka. Eba nkran bicycle. Nkran bicycle na ba kra tra so enye yi. What sika bumo.
Sure.
Nkran bicycle no body brain no. Na me say hu
right, I want to say that. Nacha yanko. So far, what do you want to arrest?
No. Because now come a person me can't wait no one sem. What 5 minutes na me in fact time na kan nyina. Yeah, by elections and 45 time or.
That's right.
Yeah, 45 by elections. I think the issue no buy no. I told you say NPP for any genuine intention of more no.
That's right.
They wanted to subject the NDC to an emotional blackmail. Because Maka say, oh, young contested your friends saying parliamentary elections now cost war, yeah, because it won't yapana, it will be inhuman on our part. And not started a bang. And not started a bang. And then the following day, these same people no more meeting asking about radio. So, oh, Obian fan there. The end of the year, the end of the year, oh, that's
that's right.
Because so what decision not to contest in an election, that is your business. But you don't try to blackmail the other guy. Say once you're giant to Sija because they know say Tamale Central now more yet they can't win.
16,000 against 52,000.
Exactly. So and this idea no omo media surrogate na start here. Akwabi na fuka to what radio so me person me boni. Ona share idea na say. And I say, oh, and attention or minumu, and at the idea, we don't want any tension to ride because nipa we you and say, Baya, and this is from 4 more dear, now we from 4 more dear. The following day, the NPP released a press statement stating the same thing. Say, your friends are my boycott, and the expectation is that the NDC will do the same thing. Maka just say politics no enya agudie bi na ye die na nya emotional bottles na ye break you. Alaska, you need to get serious and get your priorities right. And I'm happy the NDC has seen it that. I said I'm making it quite clear that the NDC is contesting because it was a strategy, some kind of a stratagem. These people set emotion. And no more has said the NDC will fall for some of these things because Alaska Oko Akwetia by Akwetia seat ni is an alternating seat. Baba Jama that the Lumba lawyer. Ona oye MP wo.
That's right.
And Lusu ye, and I say buy. And I must say Lusu and NDC be fire. And NDC Lusu and MPP aba. It's an alternating seat.
That's right.
I will be able to me win at any point in time. So this is the strategy that they were employing.
17,000 against 19,000.
Exactly. And the Nanabi Bekan says the following day Franklin Kujo and media. Oh, and NDC for some boycott. Now I say because democracy, you know, say you better buy election. So Obi be Lusu ni seat ya. Constitution no stated three things to happen. Either your tenure will expire, either you resign or you die. So death is part of a constitutional arrangement.
That's right.
So and now almost say, oh, una ya mobodo na baby ya jina Alaska. Omun pay attention, but me be a simple logical question. Alaska, then see okroma. Say I will ho ha sisi ya. I will ho okroma.
That's right.
So by elections na ya baba no tamale die no. Tamale Central no say date cry him
that's right.
And if there is a particular by-election that is likely to bring tension close to us the situation you made over here, so why don't you boycott that Akwatia one?
Tamale Central one issue statement say Druha Munkobi Edamase Sabio say Obi Bebu ama Wajaw nine, so wow, Ayani to Kojo nine, no, I simple.
And some of these things, you know, what's in China we are smarter. You see, say, crocodile the John and crocodile. I'm going down 9 there. Wow, could down 9 for so. Now, since when NPP shall sympathizing with the biggest tragedy befallen this country, aside this thing, the death of Professor Mills.
That's right.
Alaska, yes. Oh, yes, it's John Mahamadu Kuno. The same people.
They are still saying it.
The same people. And Miss Atta almost not the same. That is the policies they do. And the movie be your mobile. I was a young Montino. And now young mobile Akwatia then as if for your boycott. And you see the NDC boycotting the other way. No, it was strategic decisions.
That's right.
Because we had
close to the election.
Close to the election. And statement now, Fifi quoted the Bible and say resources no one that particular way.
Hold on.
They are adding to national win to win more seats. In the end, they won more seats.
It's very strategic.
It was strategic. So it wasn't because we no. I think we need to this emotion from politics.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.